All righty. Okay, Torrin. So last time we saw a little video and they used a lot of words that end in the AM sound. Am. Do you remember any of the words from there?
Jam, ham, yam, and Sam.
Oh, you're good. You have a good memory. I like it. All right, so let's go and let's write some of them. So let me share my screen with you. And we'll go back and we'll use a whiteboard again. And I'm going to type for a second. So we had AM words. And tell me again what you said.
Yam, jam, Sam, and ham.
Yeah, ham. Great. And there was a girl's name. Do you remember her name?
No.
That's okay. Pam. I'm going to go back and put Sam with a capital letter. And yam, we did talk about, it just wasn't in the story. So you remembered all the words that we listed.
Yeah.
Yeah. And why don't you go in, if you can, go ahead and get the drawing tool going. And let me know when you've got it.
Got it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll look at these words, and when I say one of them, go ahead and circle whichever one it is, okay? And you, all right, so let's look for jam. Think about what letter that's got to start with. Yes, nice. All right, let's look for Pam. Go ahead and circle that one. So we're looking for Pam. Yes. Oh, you got these. And when you see this video, the lady doesn't even need to read it to you. You can do it. Yam. That was the word you gave me last time. Yeah. All right. So what do we have left?
Sam.
Uh-huh. And ham. Nice. So you can read all those words.
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that great? I know. I love the word groups because they make it so that once you learn that sound at the end of the word, then you just learn, and you already know the sounds at the beginning, you can figure out a word. So if I had, let me see if I can think of another one. Here's one. I will type one. What do you think that word would be? You already know the am sound, so what's the R sound like? Do you know this word? Let me type a new word. Have you seen that word before?
No.
That's the word run. So it's got that same R on the front. It's going to have the same sound. So if you take the R from run and you put it with the am, what will you get?
Ram.
Yes, ram. There you go. You figured out the word. Ha. Now you have, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AM or am words. Without too much trouble. Didn't take you that long. Nice, huh? All right. So let's take a look for the, at a little bit at our video and see what other sentences you can work with now that you've got those words.
Okay.
All right. Okay. And so you just see the video? Yeah. It showed up on your side?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right. So we're going to play the beginning.
Beginning reader series. Ham is a girl. Ham likes jam. Sam is a boy. Sam likes ham.
Okay, we're just going to stop it there and go back and think about what those sentences were. All right? And then we'll look at them together. So we had, at the beginning, they had
ham
is is a girl. And Pam likes, which one does she like?
Jam.
I think she likes ham.
No, it was jam.
It was jam? I'm just going to run with it. Okay, Pam likes jam. So Pam is a girl. Pam likes jam. Then Sam is a boy. So Sam likes, whoops.
Ham.
Okay, ham. Okay, and I forgot to put a period at the end of each of these sentences, so we'll throw those in there to make them good sentences. Okay, so that tells us when to stop at the end of each sentence. So read as much as you can. If you get stuck on a word, it doesn't matter. Just tell me, okay?
Pam is a girl, and Pam likes jam.
Uh-huh.
Sam is a boy. He likes ham.
Perfect. And I like what you did in there. A part of your brain said, well, wait a minute, this seems kind of silly to say Pam twice and Sam twice. So you started to say she likes jam, and you corrected yourself. Very nice. You saw that. And then for Sam, you went ahead and just said, he likes ham, which is how we usually talk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't say the name all the time. But now look at the words that look so similar. So go ahead and circle words that are either the same exact word or words that look similar. So let's start with words that look similar. So go ahead and pick a color and circle all of the AM words. Or underline them or draw one, make one of those circles, whatever's easiest. Doesn't matter which way you do it. You could just put a line. So
It's hard.
Are you having any trouble with it?
Kinda.
Okay. What if you did this? Know how you made those circles earlier? What if you did something like that? What do you think?
That'd be easy.
Yeah. If not, don't worry about it. You could just take and underline it too. Doesn't matter what you do. Just, you can even put a line through it to get the AM words.
Got it.
Okay.
Got the circles.
You got the circles? Okay, perfect. Okay. There you go. Got it under ham. Yeah. It takes a little practice to make the circles do what you want. Yeah, so if you just have it near the word, that's totally fine. So you've got ham. Good. All right. It's totally fine. All right, find another word. Another AM or am word.
Not
There. I know. It went in a funny place, didn't it? But you got it up by Sam, so that's good. And I'm going to underline Sam again for you. So that leaves you one more AM word in there. Okay, you got Pam. I guess I lied. There's one more. Yes, and you got jam. Excellent. Okay. Do you remember how to change the color of your drawing tool?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and pick another color for me, please. And let me know when you're ready.
Good. Got it.
Okay. Pick one place where they have the word likes. And go ahead and underline or circle or cross out, I don't care, to show me one of the word likes. Nice. You got it. And where is the word girl? Yes. And the last one to find, where's the word boy? That's it. And then you know these little words is an A.
Yes.
Yes, I knew you did. All right. Do you want to watch the rest of the video, or you think that you've seen enough of it for the day?
I want to watch the rest of the video.
You got it. Let me go back. All right, here we go.
One day Pam said to Sam, "Will you eat some of my jam?" Sam said he would not eat jam. Pam said she would not eat ham.
I love the faces they make.
"I have a plan," Pam said to Sam. "Maybe jam tastes good on ham." Pam took out her jar of jam. She put some on a piece of ham. "This is good," Pam said to Sam. "Try a piece of ham with jam." Sam put jam on top of ham. Then he ate his piece of ham.
I like his face there.
Sam told Pam, "Now I like jam." And Pam told Sam, "Now I like ham." The end.
The end. And you got to see some of the words we already looked at. They had the word like in there a few more times.
Yeah.
Yeah, just without that S.
Yeah.
And they had this word a couple times. Do you remember that one?
No.
Let me put it in a sentence. I will not eat ham.
And
So here's the word, E-A-T, eat.
eat.
Yeah, so you got a new word in there. So they had that word several times too. All right. Do you have any questions on any of these words?
No.
Okay. Well, I feel like you have got this batch of am words done, that from now on, whenever you see these words, you could, even if you don't quite remember it, you could figure it out. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could probably figure out all kinds of other word groups. You know, you have an A and an, and we could probably put a C in front of it because we know an, and you could do the same trick. You can make the C sound. Yeah, can. You know, and you could put an R in front of it and do the same trick. The AN sound and ran. So that's what makes these word groups so terrific, is that you, again, like I said, you once you know how to pronounce the other little part, you can do all those letters in the front. Okay, I promised you some time to go ahead and draw. So I've paused recording on my end. So go ahead and draw to your heart's content for a little bit, and we will be done. Oh, wait. I did something different. Never mind. I thought I had stopped the recording, but I stopped the sharing. Sorry about that. Okay, you should have the whiteboard back. Is it back on your end?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and draw something, and then we will be done. It's always nice to have time to do a little drawing. Let's see. Why don't I draw something too? You draw, I'll draw. We'll see what we come up with. Oh, let's see.
I'm just drawing with white.
You are. I think I'm going with a silly face myself. I don't know. That one's kind of crazy.
The faces I draw are always super weird.
Yeah, look at that.
It's kind of hard to control it.
Yeah, it really is. It takes a lot of practice, but you're doing really great. And that's one thing.
But with lines, I can.
Yeah, you are. That's why I like to let people have a little time to
Ah,
draw. There, you'll get better at this.
ah, ah.
You're going to get really good at this. Yeah.
I was trying to draw. Ah.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, it takes a little practice, but you're doing it quite nicely. Yeah. Let's see. The next time someone says to you, "So, can you draw a line around that word?" You will be a whiz at it. You'll just be like, "Oh, I'm a pro. I can do this." Because you had practice. You get to draw. All right, Torrin, I'm going to give you just a few more seconds, and then we will be done. Uh, it lets me fill them up and move them around. Huh. I think you have to click out of each one after you draw it, is what it looks like. Yeah, like if I try to draw one next to another one, it suddenly moves. So I have to click out of it, and then I can draw the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you got an arrow. Okay. See, now that would have been a good one too for like pointing to the words with certain letters. Let's just use the arrows. This is nice and quick, huh? All right.
Now I'll just draw a squiggly line.
All right, draw a squiggly line, and then we will be done. Oh, yours just went everywhere. Now I'm just kind of down at the bottom.
I drew it like on the screen.
You did. Very funny. All right, my young friend. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop the sharing. Otherwise, we will be there all day.